Hi, my name is Saurabh, and today I'm gonna talk about my culture. I wanna share my culture, and I'm really excited about it. So let's get into the video. So for this project, I choose three places. The first one is Manipur, Imphal, Northeast India. It's on the northeast, which you can see on the map. It's with the yellow color. So I was born in Imphal, as my father served in the military and was posted there. So I took my birth there, and I spent 8 years of my life growing up and helping him maintain the fields after he got retired. After that, I started off with my next journey, which is in Himachal, which is on the north, upside north. There, I went to a military asylum when I was 8 years old, and after that, till 18, 10 years, I stayed there and I studied. In the final, after I grew up, like I became 18, I come to Burnaby, which is in Canada, and I'm still pursuing my education. So this, I drew the map which represents all the three places, which are the three states. Two of them are in my country, India, and one of them is in Canada. So the first one is with the one with the house and the fields show my city Imphal, and the golden one is my high school, the military school, which was in Himachal, where I studied. Then down the ocean, it is Canada, Burnaby, Burnaby City, in where I am pursuing my education. So the next question is, how did I impact the world in terms of culture? I bring all the values and ethics which I learned from my school, my parents, and my home country. I come here, I show them to other people. Then the food which I used to cook, if I get it along with me, I used to share, and people find it really spicy. But the next is like in my state we have Islam, Christianity, and Hinduism. Most people are Hindu in the state, but we have Christians and Muslims living along with each other. I am a follower of Islam, but I went to a military asylum which was based on Christianity. So I had to learn things about the other culture, which is Christianity, and I find it really interesting to know that how different religions believe in the same thing and focus on achieving that same goal. Now I would describe my traditional food and the clothes of my state. So in terms of food, we have vegetables stirred with spices, and fish which is mixed with flour. And to make it more environment friendly, we serve it on a banana leaf. Whereas in terms of clothing, the men wear dhoti and the women wear suits. But with increased globalization and other cultural awarenesses, the trends are shifting, and more people are starting to wear Western clothing, such as jeans, t-shirts, shirts. Now you can see the pictures of, of the state where I was born. On the left side is the picture of Imphal, and on the right side It is a famous park which is in my state. So here is the place where I learned most of my values, because at a very young age I was sent to the boarding school which is located in Himachal, and I met various types of people who come from different backgrounds and even from other countries to my place, because this school was started by the British in 1845 and it still lasts today. And it's not a school, it's an institution. So I lived 8 years of my life following the same routine every day, and so we made we made friends, but after some time they became family because we lived together for so long. So they taught me different things, and the way of working was different because I come from different place. I used to work differently and they used to work differently, so we integrated, and that that changed my thinking a lot. And teachers who played the biggest role, they always guided me in the right direction, telling me what is right, what is wrong, inculcating more values in me, and making me more generous. And this also helped me becoming a better person and knowing much more about life than I could have ever done it. Now I'm gonna talk about how the world impacted me in terms of the culture. So when I come here, uh, I had to like give up my traditional food. Not give up, but it becomes difficult for you to cook when you come here to get education side by side. So it was really tough for me. And the most uh, uh, harsh thing I faced was the weather, because it gets cold. It gets so cold that I'm not used to that cold here. So it was tough for me. And the word sorry, people use it a lot in the buses everywhere. So uh, I whenever I thought I did something wrong, I automatically speak the word sorry, and I think that's a good thing. And this place also taught me to work along with studying, and that teaches you a lot of things, such as time management and the importance of money. And I used to meet with different people who come from different places, because Canada is a multicultural society, and I I always love to learn new things and teach them things which they don't know. So next question says, the story tell your story in geographical context. So I moved here from Manipur, first to Manipur to Himachal, which is like, it is really far, like 18 hours by a car, and then to Canada, which is like, estimated distance comes out to be 10,956 kilometers as given by the Google Maps. And I think this thing has led to globalization, because people people here are coming from different places, and they have so much to give to each other. And it is really nice to learn and grow every day, because you don't every people don't get a chance to even get this education, and we should feel really lucky. So, and my father really worked hard for me to get here, and I wish to get a good education and spread it and do good and make him proud. So next we talk about how these places are interconnected, and they are interconnected through transportation, and they are accessible. In today's world, they are accessible because the global transportation, such as to come to Canada, I took a flight which is one day and 6 hours for me to reach here. And yeah, with technological development, it is possible for me to study abroad, and my experience is so far is really good. I enjoy every day in this country. It is safe. It it is it is mixed, and as my professor, mm, Miss Sharla, she always say that whatever action you do, it affects other people, each and every single person on this planet. So I love studying that, and this helps me to be a better human being. And I'm thankful for such a knowledgeable teacher to teach to me. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.